Good evening, everyone. I am Vishnu Raktab, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Financial Times newspaper headline. So, first of all, South Africa furore, Ramaphosa's faith in balance. Next, Brussels promises help for companies to offset impact of U.S. green subsidies. One der Leyen vows EU action. Next, shift in state aid rules pledged. Next, $369 billion climate package risks trade war. Next, uh, Beijing further relaxes COVID curbs in nod to growing public frustration. Next, Macron angers allies with concession to Putin. Next, Iran mobility police axed. Next, Italy clings to cash. Next, PwC targets EY partners. Next, IT yields digital dividend. Next, bonds point to US rate cut. Then next, battle over Disney's tax status set to go nuclear. Then on page number 2, in that Kiwi and Baltics hit a Macron on Ukraine. Next, Europe can withstand winter energy supply risks, say grid chief. Next, EU residents flock to food banks as poverty soar. Then next, Italy's new PM pushes back against a shift to digital payment. Then on page number 3, in that Democrats have Georgia on their minds in fight to win Senate seat. U.S. midterm runoff remains has close call and will set tone for 2024 election. Next, on page number 4, in that OPEC Plus ready to act has new Russia curbs start. Next, Iran disbands its morality police after 2 months of protest. Next, Biden shift on Venezuela unlikely to cut oil prices. The next, New York's zombie office tower titter has rising interest rates add to pandemic pain. Next, on page number 6, in that PwC partners urged to poach from EY to fuel US expansion. Big Four firm to seek 500 new hires. Move to exploit revivals potential split. Next, currency relief. Yan stages recovery against the greenback following multi-decade low. Next, traders bet on rates cuts amid slowing US economy. Next, DeepMind spin off to use AI in drugs discovery. Then on page number 7, in that Bankman fried amidst weak kind of lost track. Founder of Collapse FTX crypto exchange speaks of mistakes and his role in financial decision that brought down his empire. The next, strong dollar hitting profit, says POSCO. Then on page number 8, in that asset managers aim to build tech platform. Next, Canadian group triple forecast for lithium output. Next, China trade data to reveal pressures on economy. Next, Disney battles to preserve the powers of its kingdom in Florida. Then next, on page number 14, in that article section, in that it is time for HR to go back to basic. Next, workplace well-being, how to make better and what makes it worst. Next, lifting lifting the lead on Delaware corporate America's tax haven. And next, on page number 16, in that a niche for audiobooks with ear appeal. Next, sustained SMUD makes superior listening. Next, on page number 17, in that making a 4-day week work. Next, on page number 18, in that Anwar's ascent in Malaysia. Next, FOMO is the new greed of market psychology. Next, on later section, in that Japan's political plan game of chicken on energy crisis. Next, in Europe, not run by Europe was a Tory slogan. Next, the dismissal reality of Brexit is eroding the constitutions. Next, drone warfare more honored in the breach. Next, XI is unwilling to admit defeat in vaccines battle. Next, cows cause climate change, but it's not their fault. Next, for years, workplace have been constantly evolving. Next, Flower and Lady Susan's unfortunately questioned. The next, on page number 19, in that easy money era is over, but world leader have not got the memo. Next, Stammer must plot a bold route back to Euro for Britain. Next, wage inflation is a mirage for most workers. Next, Brussels should not protest too much on energy. Then on page number 20, in that unexpected perils and opportunities of a sabbatical. Next, on page number that much for today. Thanks for watching.